Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Target beauty box. I just got mine in today. This is the summer box. I haven't even opened it. As you can see, it's still in plastic. So I'm going to open it for you guys again. So right off the bat, I love the packaging. I mean, super cute. Definitely right in the mood for summer, which I'm guessing we all need. So let's take that off. As always, we're going to get a $3 coupon for beauty purchases of $15 and more. Now let's open it. Wow, so we got some great stuff. So I'm going to change the view real quick so you can look at my box and then we'll talk about it. So this box is another great box. Looks like we've got pretty decent size items. So the first thing is Rose Petal Rose Water. And it's 2 flow ounces. Next we have, what is this? Primer, okay. This is 1 flow ounce. We'll take this off and look at it a little bit more. Next we got sea salt spray, not your mother's. This is 2 flow ounces. We got some Colab dry shampoo. I actually just saw a video on TikTok saying how much they love Colab dry shampoo, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. And then this is 1.6 flow ounces. Okay, now we have an argan oil. What is this? Deep conditioner. Okay, that's really cool. Tons of it in there. 1.75 ounces. Tons and tons. So we'll read about that in a minute. Then we've got some CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion. And if you see my other videos, we got lots of CeraVe stuff and it is great. So I'm excited about that. And lastly, we have some nose strip. Well, I guess we have 1 nose strip. I've actually used this before. It works very well. And so, yeah, so it's just a sample. Has just 1 in here. So let's talk about it. So if this is your first time watching, I will link the other boxes in the description box below just so you can see what I was talking about. And I also didn't mention this beforehand. This box is $7. I will also link in the description box where you can buy these. And it is seasonal, so you're not going to always be able to get the same things. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this Colab dry shampoo. 10 out of 10 performance is on the little sticker. And like I said, I actually saw someone today on TikTok talking about this dry shampoo. It smells very good. It says oil absorption without white residue. So if you've ever had a cheap dry shampoo, when you put it right here, you can see some white, almost like baby powder. So it says no white residue. So let's just try it out. And I would say they are correct. No residue whatsoever. And it smells so good, so good. Oh, my hair looks good like that. I might need to get some bangs. What do you think? Okay, next we have the rose water. Let's take that annoying sticker off. Bloop. Okay. So this is Hydrating Face Mist, Soothes and Tones Skin. Directions: apply directly to the skin or hair. Used to refresh and tone your face, set makeup, or spray your hair for added hydration. So let's set the face. Let's see if it does that. That smells amazing. What do y'all think about my eyes? I tried something new today as well. So that's pretty great. This will last such a long time. So I sprayed like 4 or 5 times and it only used that much. So you can imagine how long this is gonna last for just a sample size. Okay, next is this Beach Babe Soft Waves and Sea Salt Spray. I've actually never heard of something like this. It's from Not Your Mother's. Wave hello to beachy hair. Direction: spray onto wet or dry hair from mid-length to ends. Scrunch hair and let air dry, or use a diffuser for extra volume. So this is something we're going to be trying out in another video because I would love to do that. I have extremely natural straight hair. This is not straightened. I actually have not straightened my hair in probably 5 years. And it's probably like this because of over straightening. I used to straighten for hours every single day, and now I cannot even hold a curl. So that sucks. So I'm going to try this in another video, and I forgot to say, this is cruelty free. Let's see if it says so. So this is the dry shampoo, cruelty and vegan, cruelty free and vegan. And then this is vegan, eco-friendly, cruelty-free, please recycle. All right, next is this, well, let's take this off because I couldn't even read all of it. Next is this Mane Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil, sunflower seed oil, 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula for all hair types. Okay, I thought it was a primer for your makeup. That is not the case. Let's read something else. Shake bottle, lightly mist through damp hair prior to drying it or detangling it. Avoid contact with eyes. Okay, so I will also try that out. Like I said, I thought it was primer. I thought it was kind of weird too. Okay, moving on. So next is the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen. Ooh, can you focus? Okay, we'll show it in another picture. Moisturize and helps restore the protective skin barrier. Super tiny, but it's sample size, so it's supposed to make it where you absolutely love it and have to go buy the real product. And something I didn't do in another video of the unboxing was I did not say how much everything was. So that's what I'm going to start working on. So you've probably already seen, but I'm going to say what retail price for the actual size of things so you can just get a gist of how much this box is really worth. So next is the Repairing Deep Conditioner. Like I said, this thing is full to the max. Absolutely full. So I'm really excited to try this. Yeah, so it's for dry, damaged hair. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, it's free of a lot of things. Let's see if it says anything about not tested on animals. And the last thing is this Biol Free Your Pores Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. So that is something I can do in a video. Maybe I can just do a whole video of just this box of trying and reviewing the items and showing you how great these things are. Like I said, I've already used this. I know it works great. Basically what you do is you just damp your nose, you put it on there, you wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then slowly peel up, not from the side, but peel up, and it gets all them nasty blackheads out of your face. Recapping, this box was $7. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things plus a $3 off coupon. I think this box is totally worth it. Thought it was great. We have another one coming, so we're gonna be doing another video very soon. Yeah, everything's gonna be listed in the description box so you can get your own Target boxes. Please tag me if you get them and tell me how much you love them. If you like this video, want to keep seeing videos like this, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.